Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best trash bag holder is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for maintaining cleanliness and organization in any space, whether it's your kitchen, campsite, or even your car, offering a convenient and hygienic solution to manage waste without the need for bulky bins or complicated installations, making it an essential item for anyone looking to simplify their cleanup routine and keep their surroundings tidy with minimal effort. Number 5. COGHLAN'S Pop-Up Lightweight Trash Can. Introducing a revolutionary way to manage waste on your adventures. This innovative trash can offers unparalleled convenience for all your outdoor activities. Its incredibly collapsible and lightweight design folds down to just 1.75 inches. This makes it perfect for easy storage and transport on camping trips, RV travels, and any outdoor adventure. Don't let its compact size fool you. It boasts a generous 29-gallon capacity. It's ideal for group camping, picnics, and keeping your campsite clean. Crafted from durable polyethylene, it's built to withstand rugged outdoor use. Its heavy-duty material resists wear and tear, ensuring longevity on any adventure. Keep your campsite clean and fresh with its zippered lid. It effectively seals in odors and keeps unwanted bugs and insects out. Integrated carrying handles make transportation a breeze. When not in use, it folds flat for compact storage in your RV, car, or garage. What we like? This one offers a massive capacity and a secure, odor-sealing lid. If you're heading out for a large group camping trip or an extended outdoor event where waste management is key, this is your best bet. Its durable construction also means it can handle rough conditions. What people say? This is a great trash bag holder for camping. It is very sturdy and holds the bag well. Easy to set up and take down. Number 4. Yukon Glory Stainless Steel Trash Bag Holder. Introducing the Yukon Glory Trash Bag Holder, your ultimate solution for outdoor waste management. It's designed for convenience and durability, making your adventures cleaner. Setting up is a breeze. Simply unzip it from its travel bag, lift the sides, and attach your standard 13-gallon trash bag. Disassembly is just as easy. Use your foot to collapse it and store it back in its bag. Whether you're camping, hosting an outdoor party, or doing yard work, this holder is a must-have. It provides a quick and efficient way to manage trash, helping you leave nature as you found it. Crafted from strong and durable stainless steel, this stand is built to withstand the elements. It's lightweight yet robust, ensuring it can handle your waste disposal needs wherever you go. It comes with a sleek travel bag, making it easy to pack and carry. This protects your holder and ensures you can take this convenient trash solution on all your camping and outdoor trips. This holder is designed to fit standard 13-gallon trash bags, keeping them open and secure for easy disposal. You can even attach a second bag for increased capacity if needed. What we like? This holder boasts a strong stainless steel frame that sets up in a flash and includes a convenient carry bag. If you value quick assembly and a sturdy, reliable structure for your trash on the go, especially for camping or outdoor parties, this is an excellent choice. It's designed for those who need a no-fuss solution. What people say? It is a great way to keep your trash contained and out of the way. This trash bag holder is very sturdy and holds up well even with heavy trash bags. The expandable design is a nice feature, allowing you to adjust the size of the trash bag holder to fit your needs. Number 3. Folding Wall-Mounted Garbage Bag Holder. Is your kitchen garbage always scattered around? This innovative holder keeps your space tidy, especially when you're busy cooking. It's a must-have for any modern kitchen, ensuring your sink and countertop stay organized. Setting up this holder is a breeze. You can easily attach it to your kitchen cabinet doors, bathroom walls, or even desks. Just peel and stick for a secure fit that won't damage surfaces. When not in use, it conveniently folds away, saving valuable kitchen space. This unique design not only keeps things tidy but also helps to contain odors effectively. Using it is incredibly straightforward. The bracket arm features a movable part that allows it to fold for storage or lock securely in place for use. It's designed for your ultimate convenience. Crafted with high-grade materials, this holder is built to last and can support up to 22 pounds. Its sleek design complements any kitchen decor, and it leaves no residue when removed. It's the ideal solution for managing your kitchen waste efficiently. Keep your cooking area clean and organized with this essential home accessory. What we like. This option is all about maximizing space and convenience in smaller areas, featuring a unique wall-mounted and folding design. If you're looking to keep your kitchen, bathroom, or RV tidy and odor-free with minimal footprint, this is the perfect solution. It's ideal for those who appreciate a neat and organized living space. What people say. The bag holder is expandable, allowing it to fit different trash bag sizes. It is designed to be portable, making it easy to move around. The product functions well as a trash bag holder, keeping bags open and accessible. Number 2. Thetford Stormate Collapsible Garbage Bag Holder 36773. Introducing the Thetford Stormate, the ultimate garbage bag holder. Its versatile design makes it perfect for use anywhere, from your RV to your campsite. Enjoy unparalleled convenience with its smart, collapsible design. It folds down to a compact size, making it incredibly easy to store and transport. Don't let its compact form fool you. This holder easily accommodates standard 13-gallon kitchen trash bags, and even larger ones. For a cleaner experience, it comes complete with a lid. This ensures a more sanitary environment, keeping odors contained. Assembly is a breeze, taking mere moments to set up. It's ready to use indoors or outdoors, wherever you need it. This holder is the perfect blend of capacity and storability. It's designed for your active lifestyle, offering a practical solution for waste management on the go. What we like. This holder provides a great balance of capacity and storability, complete with a lid for added sanitation. If you need a reliable trash solution for your RV, boat, car, or campsite that's easy to pack away and keeps odors contained, this is a fantastic option. It's designed for convenience and cleanliness on the move. What people say. This trash bag holder is expandable and can hold up to 30 gallons of trash. It is made of durable stainless steel and is easy to clean. The holder is also very stable and does not tip over easily. Number 1. Wakeman Outdoors Portable Trash Bag Holder. Introducing a revolutionary way to manage your trash. This portable holder makes disposing of waste easy and sanitary, no matter your location. It's designed for quick setup and takedown, perfect for any situation. Take it camping, to a tailgate, or a picnic, and it's equally useful indoors for parties or projects. This versatile bin adapts to all your needs, from outdoor adventures to everyday indoor tasks. Assembly is a breeze, requiring no tools thanks to its clever pop-up design. You can even adjust its height to 3 different levels, ensuring it fits perfectly wherever you place it. Crafted from robust polypropylene, this bin is built to last. Its sturdy, freestanding base securely holds standard 13-gallon trash bags, preventing tipping even on uneven surfaces. When not in use, it collapses down neatly for easy storage. The legs conveniently tuck away inside the base, making it incredibly space-saving. Choose the color that best suits your style. This practical solution comes in both blue and black to complement your environment. What we like. This holder stands out with its adjustable height legs and durable, freestanding design, making it incredibly adaptable. If you need a versatile trash solution for various outdoor activities like tailgating, BBQs, or even indoor parties, and you appreciate the ability to customize its height, this is the one for you. It offers stability and flexibility. What people say. This trash bag holder is expandable and can hold a large amount of trash. It is very sturdy and does not tip over, even when full. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits well in any kitchen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.